Here is a more detailed and expanded explanation of each heading for methylprednisolone, useful for exams, viva, and clinical understanding. Methylprednisolone detailed notes. 1. Basic information. Generic name, methylprednisolone. Drug class, synthetic glucocorticoid, corticosteroid. Brand names Medrol, Solumedrol, Depomedrol. Drug forms. Oral tablets, used for chronic conditions, IVIM injection, Solumedrol. Used in emergencies, e.g. asthma attack, shock. Depot injection, Depomedrol. Long-acting, used in joint or soft tissue inflammation. It is more potent than hydrocortisone and has minimal mineralocorticoid activity, less sodium retention. Number 2. Definition. Methylprednisolone is a synthetic anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive drug that mimics cortisol, a natural hormone from adrenal glands. It is widely used to control inflammation, suppress immune system overactivity, replace steroid deficiency. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Enters cells and binds to glucocorticoid receptors. Drug receptor complex enters nucleus, alters gene expression. Key effects: prostaglandins and leukotrienes, inflammation mediators. Cytokines: IL-1, IL-6, TNF-alpha. Capillary permeability, reduces swelling, suppresses T-cell and B-cell activity. Stabilizes lysosomes, prevents tissue damage. Overall, powerful anti-inflammatory plus immunosuppressive anti-allergic action. 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption, rapid and well-absorbed orally. Bioavailability, high 80 to 100%. Distribution, widely distributed, crosses placenta and enters breast milk. Protein binding, bound to albumin and corticosteroid binding globulin. Metabolism, liver, via C-Wide450 enzymes. Half-life, 2 to 4 hours, but biological effect lasts 18 to 36 hours. Excretion, kidneys, urine. Long biological action allows once-daily dosing in many cases. 5. Uses. Used in a wide variety of inflammatory and autoimmune conditions. A. Inflammatory conditions. Arthritis, RA, osteoarthritis flare, skin disorders, eczema, psoriasis. B. Allergic conditions, severe allergic reactions, drug hypersensitivity. Respiratory diseases, bronchial asthma, COPD exacerbations. D. Autoimmune diseases, systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE, multiple sclerosis, relapse management. E. Others, cancer therapy, leukemia, lymphoma, organ transplantation, brain swelling, cerebral edema. 6. Indications, acute asthma attack, anaphylaxis, adjunct therapy, acute spinal cord injury, adrenal insufficiency, severe COVID-related inflammation in selected cases. Indications depend on severity and urgency. 7. Contraindications, absolute systemic fungal infections, known hypersensitivity. Relative active infections, TB, viral infections, peptic ulcer disease, uncontrolled diabetes, severe hypertension. Steroids can worsen infections and metabolic conditions. Number 8. Before taking, precautions. Assess patient history for diabetes, may increase blood sugar, hypertension, fluid retention, osteoporosis, bone weakening, eye disorders, glaucoma, cataracts. Psychiatric history may cause mood changes. Special groups. Pregnancy, use only if necessary. Children may affect growth. Elderly, higher risk of side effects. 9. How to use. Take after meals to reduce gastric irritation. Follow exact timing and dose schedule. Long-term therapy, take in morning circadian rhythm. Injection must be given by trained professionals. Never self-adjust dose. Never 10. Dosing information depends on disease severity. Typical doses, mild conditions, 4 to 16 milligrams per day, moderate, 16-48 milligrams per day, severe high-dose IV, pulse therapy, e.g. 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day. Dose is often tapered gradually after improvement. Number 11. Missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, take immediately if remembered, skip if near next dose, do not double dose. Overdose, rare but may cause fluid retention, high blood pressure, Cushing syndrome features, electrolyte imbalance. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly, adrenal crisis, gradual tapering required. Avoid in active untreated infections, immediately before after live vaccines. 13. Side effects. Short-term, increased appetite, weight gain, mood swings, insomnia. Long-term, osteoporosis, muscle weakness, diabetes, hypertension, cataracts, adrenal suppression. Severe effects, infection risk, GI bleeding, psychosis. Number 14, vital information. Suppresses adrenal gland function, requires monitoring, blood sugar, BP, electrolytes, bone density. Patients must carry steroid alert identification. Number 15, drug interactions, important interactions, NSAIDs, ulcer risk, antidiabetics, effectiveness, diuretics, potassium loss, rifampicin, steroid effect, ketoconazole, steroid levels. Number 16, drug comparison, drug, potency, mineralocorticoid effect, duration. Hydrocortisone, low, high, short, prednisone, moderate, intermediate, methylprednisolone, higher, low, intermediate, dexamethasone, very high, none, long. Methylprednisolone is preferred when less fluid retention is needed. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient education is very important because improper use of corticosteroids like methylprednisolone can lead to serious complications. 1. How to take the medicine. Take exactly as prescribed, dose, timing, duration. Take with food or milk to prevent stomach irritation. Prefer taking in the morning, mimics natural cortisol rhythm. Do not crush or stop tablets unless instructed. 2. Do not stop suddenly. Never stop the drug abruptly. Sudden withdrawal can cause adrenal crisis, life-threatening. Dose must be gradually reduced, tapered under medical supervision. 3. Infection precautions. Steroids reduce immunity, higher risk of infections. Avoid crowded places, people with infections, cold, flu, TB. Wash hands regularly. Report symptoms like fever, sore throat, persistent cough. Diet and lifestyle advice. Follow a low-salt diet, prevents fluid retention. Eat high calcium and vitamin D foods. Prevents osteoporosis. Maintain balanced diet to avoid weight gain. Exercise regularly, as advised. 5. Monitoring health. Regularly check blood sugar, especially if diabetic, blood pressure, weight, bone health, long-term use. 6. Possible side effects to watch. Inform doctor if you notice swelling of face, moon face, sudden weight gain, mood changes, anxiety, depression, blurred vision, severe stomach pain. 7. Drug and vaccine precautions. Inform doctor about all medicines being taken. Avoid live vaccines during high-dose therapy. Do not take NSAIDs without advice. Risk of ulcers. 8. Special instructions. Carry a steroid alert card, medical ID. Inform doctors, dentists before any surgery. Extra dose may be needed during stress, surgery, severe illness. 9. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Inform doctor if pregnant or planning pregnancy. Use only if clearly needed. 10. Missed dose advice. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if it's close to next dose. Do not double dose. 11. Storage instructions. Store at room temperature. Keep away from moisture and heat. Keep out of reach of children. Key patient reminder. Take regularly, never stop suddenly, and report any unusual symptoms early. Thank you. Have a nice day.